Welcome to NovaEx AI wallet, ladies and gentlemen. Before we get into the details, guys, this is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial expert, and anything that involves trading anything crypto has very high risk. All right, so you endeavor to do your research. This video is just for educational purpose only. So let's move. Share the video showing how to register and subsequent videos and other activities and updates concerning the project. And currently the project has been listed since the 21st of June and is trading, right? So now our tokens are now locked. We need to unlock them. So basically what you need to do is to use the AI feature that you find here. So you're going to need to get some NEX tokens and then you pick an AI node plan. The first one, which is a flexible plan, is for 1 day and you get 0.5 to 0.6%. The second, you get 5.5 to 6, which is for 7 days. For 15 days, you get 13 to 14%. And the long term is the 30-day, where you will be able to get 30 to 33% return on investment. So 5 days ago, they shared this post here where they announced that the token is officially launched on PancakeSwap, and then they left this contract address. Now, one of the first things you would want to do, or you might want to do, is to add this contract address or to import this token, because if this token is not imported on your exchange, even after buying, you will not find it on your portfolio, right? So for this video, I'm going to show you one of the things I consider as the very first step to unlocking your NEX tokens is importing the contract address. So this is it here. I'm not manufacturing some contract address and handing them to you. This is the official chat Facebook page. They have a Twitter page as well, and they share the same contract address there too. So after copying the contract address, you bring it over here, you click on manage crypto here, then you look at this plus sign at the top right, you tap on it. Now you select the network. BNB is the network as we have been shown there, and you paste the contract address here, and it will automatically generate the other parameters talking about the name, NovaEx AI symbol, NEX, and decimal. Then you click on import, and you have successfully added NovaEx AI. And the data is already displaying here, 0.3376. That's the price, and it has done percentage rise by 237, as you can see. Right, so that I moved from 0.2374. That's how you import your NEX token on Trust Wallet. Now, if you open this, and of course you find it on the list, look at it right here. All right, so that's how to import NEX token, talking about NovaEx AI token on Trust Wallet. I'll be making another video showing how to purchase NEX tokens and then how to purchase a package and unlock your NEX. Until then, thanks. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable the little notification bell icon to be the first to see my next video. Bye bye.